Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something different from what I do regularly. Today I thought of sharing you information about some amazing herbs which I came across recently. Before diving into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, guys. That means a lot to my efforts. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new video updates. So for now, let's get started. So the super herb which I am going to introduce you today is called Kachur Sugandhi. It's also called white turmeric. It's also aromatic ginger. It's used to cleanse the body as well as to create anti-aging mask or scrubs. It possesses antibacterial, antioxidant as well as healing properties. Counteracts premature aging and frees the pores from impurities. Now this is in the powder form. Now I just made it like a powder. You can use your mixer grinder to powder it. You can use your mixer grinder to powder this. What am I going to do with this is I'm going to prepare a face mask with this. I'm just using half a teaspoon of this, not taking too much of a product. I'm just taking a half a teaspoon of the half a very small spoon I have taken. As you can see, I'm taking just a half a spoon of this to make a mask. Where to get this? That might be your question. So you get this in all Grantike Angdi, that's what we call it as, where you get all the puja items. There if you go and ask for a Kachur Sugandhi, they give you, this might cost you around 80 rupees for 100 grams. So as I have shown you before, the dry ginger will be like this aromatic ginger. So once you powder it, it has a strong smell that just like that Ayurvedic products. It has that very strong smell. It looks quite similar to the normal regular ginger. So once you powder this, it looks like this with very strong smell. So to this I'm going to add some red sandal powder. So if you have seen red sandal powder, this is how it looks. So I'm going to add a very small quantity of red sandal powder also to the mask. So here it is. You can use multani mitti. You can even add multani mitti to this preparation, but as I have dry skin, if you have oily skin, you are free to use multani mitti, but I have a severe dry skin, so using multani mitti can suck out all my my face oils, natural oils. So I'm not using multani mitti as of now. You can definitely use if you have a combination skin, or if you want to cleanse your face really well, you can use it. Now next ingredient I'm using here is the milk cream. Guys, make sure your spoon is cleanly washed, otherwise you are definitely going to get scoldings from your mom for spoiling the milk cream. So you can use it how much ever you want depending on the consistency. I'm going to use just one spoon of it, or some 2 spoons. I'm not using any rose water here, as right now I don't have its availability. You can definitely use rose water also. So now this doesn't look like 1 spoon, so almost 4 to 5 spoons I have added. Yeah, coming to the red sandal has antiseptic properties that prevent pimples, acne and sores from developing. Exposure to dust and dirt can cause bacterial growth on your skin, which red sandal definitely prevents. Applying sandalwood with milk can help. Yes, I am going to add some milk also with this. Yes, applying sandalwood with milk can help to rejuvenate your skin also, and and also help to gain the moisture in your moisture levels in your skin. This is what my mom told me. So I'm going to add some few drops of raw milk to this. This is not boiled milk, this is just the raw milk right from the packet. If you're fortunate enough to be in a village, you can get a better version of the milk. So I'm just going to mix it. Again, I'm telling you, you can definitely use multani mitti as base. That definitely going to help your skin to cleanse your skin more better. But I'm not adding it because my skin is damn dry. So my mask is ready to apply on the face. So my mask is ready to go into the face. Yes, this smells divine, just like how you know, you get that feeling of the queen taking bath in the olden days. Yes. I'm going to quickly do this, and now I'm taking a brush. You can use it even with your fingers as well. You can apply it. Guys, this smells divine, I'm telling you. Please give it a try. What are your home remedy, guys? Comment, just let me know what you're doing for your dark circles, for your pimple treatments. I have some more left over which I'll be using it on my husband. And now that we are going to let this face mask soak into our skin for another 10 to 15 minutes maximum. My skin feels very supple, very soft. People with a very oily skin can skip the step of adding milk cream to it. You can just add the raw milk, that should be sufficient. People with oily skin may not like it. Guys, I know I have very dry skin. I feel so jealous about people with oily skin. I am feeling so happy with my skin feeling very oily, supple, very soft. You will love it. My skin right now is feeling like सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद जलने लगा आसमानी हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा. Wait, where am I going to? I'm going to end this video now. Enough for now. Thank you so much for watching, if you're watching till now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, again, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you found this video helpful, please mention it in the comment section below. Okay, please do share, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video with another super herb. Until then, bye bye.